Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, I'm excited to share the new collection of LV. So this one is the Never Wolf, priced at €1,850. We have SKU here, so the launch date of this one mostly is March 20th, 2025. So please check the website and your CAs. So this one, as you can see, so this is a Neverfull. However, this is a pet carrier. And of course, it comes with the classic Neverfull style, as we could see here, but with the monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Then of course, we have this very beautiful and oh my god, so gorgeous Speedy P920 bandolier. So of course, this one we have the SKU. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see guys, what's most fascinating about the Speedy P9, it is embellished, or the monogram is embellished with pearls. How gorgeous this Speedy P9 is. Definitely, if you're a collector, get this one. Then of course, we have the side trunk size PM. Price is €4,850. We have SKU here. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is blue jean. It comes of course with detachable leather strap, and it comes with detachable chain strap that is wrapped with leather, and of course it comes with gold hardware. So guys, the next collection that we are going to review, so hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, the Paris A Velo collection that will be launching March 20th. So first we have the phone holder, price at €800 or 1,010 USD. So for this one, so this is a key clay that it comes with like a rope or strap that it comes with that you could put as a phone holder. Then of course guys, we have the Alma MM Soft, price at €3,100. So still from the same collection. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So the monogram canvas is the softer or slouchy version, and it comes with detachable canvas charm. And as you can see guys, the interior, so you could fully detach it as well like this. It's like a dust bag, a drawstring dust bag. Then guys, how gorgeous this Speedy Soft 30 is. Price at €3,000 or 3,850 USD. Still from the same collection. So the interior is made of fabric in color orange. Then of course, the main material is the monogram canvas, the slouchy softer version with cowhide leather trim. So this is the charm that it comes with, a bag charm. Then of course, a mini like dust bag charm that it comes with. Then of course, we have the bum bag, price at €2,400. We have SKU here. Still the same material, monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. As we can see, the cowhide leather trims is in color yellow. It would come with detachable leather top handle chain strap that is fully adjustable as well. What do you think of this one?
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys!
Alright, so next on the collection, guys, I'm going to discuss and continue with the Louis Vuitton LV Denim Collection. First, we have the side trunk MM. Price is 3,700 euro or 4,700 USD. So this is the reason why I am sharing the continuation of the LV Denim Monogram Collection, because we have more photos, detailed photos, SKUs, prices, and the launch date. Next, guys, so we have the Monceris Cargo Backpack, price at 4,600 euro. So the material is LV Monogram Denim in the colorway Blue Denim. Of course, it comes with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. So the denim material is like the same inside and the interior and the exterior. Then of course, as you can see, this one comes with adjustable backpack straps. So next on the denim collection, so we have the Pochette Valley. So price at 1,700 euro or 2,030 USD. So as you can see, so the strap is fully detachable and you can wear it like how the model is wearing as a cute shoulder bag. So of course, guys, the Pochette Valley, please take note that this is a small bag, so it's perfect for evening events. For everyday, I'm not really sure because it fits a little, maybe just your phone and wallet and keys. Then we have the Speedy Soft 30, so price at 3,000 euro or 3,850 USD. So same material, colorway is blue denim of the LV Monogram Denim material with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, this is the interior. It comes with the zipper with 2 zipper closure. Then of course, it comes with detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, I have discussed this on the preview as well. We have the Capucines BB. So now we have the price of 6,100 euro or 7,150 USD. So the main material, of course, is denim, and I love, of course, the different colorway of the blue denim. As you can see, it comes with the lighter one, like the medium one, and then of course the darker blue denim. Then of course, guys, it would also come in the khaki colorway. So we have the Kuzan PM. So for the Kuzan PM, price is 3,600 euro or 4,700 USD. We have the SKU here. So classic Kuzan PM design, but the main material, of course, is the LV Monogram Denim. Colorway is khaki or like in the light olive colorway. It comes, of course, with 2 straps, canvas strap and the chunky chain strap. Then we have the Sunset bag. So the archival design from Marc Jacobs when they have earlier launched the denim collection. So price of this one is 2,450 euro or 3,100 USD. So this is the interior, as you can see, and of course it comes with detachable shoulder strap. Then of course it comes with gold hardware with the koala lock closure. Then let's talk about some SLGs. So firstly, we have the zippy wallet, price at 1,170 USD. Same material, so it's a full zip wallet, as you can see. So the interior is made of leather. It comes, of course, with a zippered compartment. It has many slots for bills, for credit cards, and IDs. And of course, it comes with gold hardware. So next on the collection, so we have the Sarah wallet. So price at 690 euro or 970 USD. So LV Monogram Denim, colorway is fuchsia, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims, the interior mostly. Then of course it would come with gold hardware. So this is a full length Sarah wallet. What do you think? Happy shopping!
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!